We took this out of the dry cleaning machine and I steam cleaned the spot on it, and I took it off the hanger so it would not stretch. We are then going to do the finishing pressing on it, and at that point I will take the two garments, and they are hanging here. I would look at the neck and see that this is a 2403, the ticket I had when I put the name of the customer on it, on the original ticket. I'd check for this garment, and then I would check this. I might have 25, 30 garments here. I'd look for this one, the same. And I would then have to fold it up nice and re-put it on its hanger. Now, if this was a silk garment, I might put tissue paper, if it's a very fine garment, over the hanger. But being this is just wool here, it will not matter. I have checked the tickets. I have noticed that these are 2403. I would find the right ticket with the name on the customer. Being Grace Sipple, it's one of mine. Now I have the sweaters, and it is this ticket and this customer. I would then put it on here. It is one of my own, but I like to bag them anyway. I would find a shirt bag. I would put it on it, and this is the bagging area. I would bag it up. Take the bag off. Take my staple gun and staple this to the garment, and I now know that I can hang that in the dolly.